Ever wanted to animate your own cartoon character walking like this? Today, I'm showing you exactly how to make a smooth comedy walk cycle in Procreate Dreams, even if you're brand new to animation. Hey friends, Chamel here. Today we're animating a simple character with a circle head and stick-like limbs. Super friendly, super cute, and super achievable. What? Yes, I promise no complicated anatomy today. Start with a circle. Boom, head done. Add a little sausage body, 2 noodle arms, and 2 legs. That's it. Keep it simple so you can focus on movement, not details. Mini tip: round shapes animate beautifully because they're forgiving and easy to read. Each body part needs its own track. Head, arms, torso, and legs. 6 parts is enough for a great walk. What do you mean it needs eyebrows? Fine, we'll add eyebrows later. A walk cycle is just 4 poses repeating: contact, down, passing, and up. Once you learn these, you can animate any character walking. Mini tip: walks are rhythmic. Think left, right, like a metronome. Start with the contact pose. The moment the heel touches the ground, one leg forward, one back, arms swing the opposite directions. Now the character absorbs weight. Lower the body a little. Bend the legs. Dip the head. That's your down pose. This adds weight and realism. Even for a cute noodle-limbed guy like ours. The passing pose is where the magic happens. One leg straight down, the other sliding past it. The head rises a bit. Mini tip. This pose keeps the walk from looking like a shuffle. Pause here and try drawing your first 3 poses. Comment below if you got them. I love seeing your progress. Now the up pose. The body rises. Arms swing out. Head lifts. This creates the bounce of a natural walk. Match the arm swing to the legs. Add a tiny head bob for personality. Subtle is key here. We want friendly, not frantic. Huh? Yes, the head is bobbing. Calm down. Connect your first and last poses. If they match, the loop becomes seamless and satisfying. Mini tip. Play it in slow motion once to check for pops or jumps. Add personality. Eyebrows, a little shadow under the feet. Even a hair tuft bouncing. Congrats, your cartoon character is officially walking. Tag me on Instagram at chamo_doesart so I can share your animations. And tell me below what you want me to animate next. Run cycle? Jump? Full scene? No, we're not animating a backflip. Yet.